Today, Pope Francis focused his message for Easter on COVID-19 vaccines.
He called on world leaders to help all countries and populations get access. WGN Sean Lewis reports.
At the Vatican, Easter Sunday Mass was held in a sparsely populated St. Peter's Basilica as Pope Francis urged world leaders to get COVID-19 vaccine to the poorest countries.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Even as mass vaccination sites are open in Chicago and around the country, with upwards of 3 million doses a day going into the arms of Americans, and millions more being inoculated in richer countries around the world, like this scene this weekend in France. Other countries are just now receiving their first shipments of vaccine. More than 57,000 AstraZeneca doses arrived on a cargo plane in Serbia on Saturday. And places like Uzbekistan, north of Iran and Afghanistan, received 660,000 doses, one of the last in the region to receive their first vaccines, as the country sets to work on inoculating its 34.5 million citizens. The World Trade Organization in step with the Pope's message on vaccine inequity between rich and poorer countries.
Nobody wants to see vaccine inequity continue in the world, and that the idea that 70% of vaccines today have been administered only by 10 countries is really not acceptable. It's not acceptable that there are poor people or poor countries being left behind.
At this time, we really are in a Category 5 hurricane status with regard to the rest of the world.
Today, the director of infectious disease research at the University of Minnesota explained why vaccine equity is critical, especially when it comes to variants like B.1.1.7. First discovered in the UK and now a leading variant being found in COVID cases in Florida and Michigan, B.1.1.7, researchers say, is not only more transmissible but more severe, impacting younger patients more broadly than others.
If we continue to see this virus spread throughout the low and middle income countries unfettered, they're going to spit out variants over the course of the next years that in each and every instance could challenge our vaccines.
A challenge being played out in real time, worldwide, as some leaders race to vaccine billions. And others pray it happens for all. Sean Lewis, WGN News.